So if you're trying to figure out how to export videos in HDR, I got the solution for you. You don't have to do the crazy filtering and adjusting and all that crazy stuff like other people's videos might have you believe that you have to do. Now, this does require you to have the desktop version of CapCut because for some reason the mobile version doesn't work. The mobile version has the auto HDR, but it doesn't work. So if you're on your desktop and you have the desktop app open, as you can see, right now, I don't have anything clicked. I already have my video edited. And on the right, you have your details for your video. You also have your frame rate and your color space. This is where you need to make your changes in order to make your video HDR instead of adding filters and whatnot. So, like I said, not clicked on anything. Go to modify. And here you can make changes. I recorded my video in 60 FPS, so that's where I want it. And then your color space, you have a couple other options. I typically go for HLG, but you can go for PQ if you want. See how that works for you. But as of right now, I know HLG works for me. So now I just save it, and it converted my video into HDR. So if I scroll through, you'll see that it's in HDR. Just to give you more feedback on it, so you can see it a little bit better, I am now back in standard. I'm going to export. As you can see right here, color space is SDR. I can change my frame rate, but you cannot change your color space here. It has to be done on this details page. So if I just export this and now go to my folder, I will see my video right here that I had exported. I'm gonna get the info. And as you can see, color space profile is just HD. Now I'm going to open my video that I edited earlier that was in HDR, get the info. And as you can see, this is in HLG HDR. You can probably also see the difference here depending on if your screen that you're watching this video on supports HDR or not. But HD and then HLG, which is HDR. So like I said, you have to be on the desktop version because for some reason right now, the mobile version of CapCut with the Smart HDR is not working at this moment. So again, not clicked on anything because as soon as you click on something, it's going to go away. Modify, color space, HDR, save. And then once that's saved, if I hit export, you'll now see high dynamic range HDR, color space. Anyways, if this video helped, be sure to give this video a thumbs up down below. Also consider subscribing to this channel. I tend to do reviews on things. I try to do tech, but I'm poor, so I do reviews on whatever I can. Maybe even a vlog here and there. Anyways, I'm out.